Hello students, standard 6, revision chapter number 3, playing with numbers. So let us do some more examples. Find all the factors of the following numbers. First number is 36. Now let us understand that when you write down all the factors, my advice is that start from number 1 and write down all the possible product such that the answer is 36. For example, 36 is equal to 1 multiplied by 36, then 2 multiplied by 18 also. Start with the serial number so that none of them can be missed. Now check if it is divisible by 3. Yes. 12 3s are also 36. 4 9s are also 36. It is not divisible by 5. 6, yes. 6 are 36. Now both are same. It means that no more factors will be there. So now start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 6 is again not derived, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Therefore, factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Generally, if you start 1, 2, then sometimes you miss one of them. But if you write down like that, there is no chance. Just check the divisibility. You know the divisibility tests. So start from 1. 1 is always there. If it is even number, it will be divisible by 2. Then check the divisibility by 3. Then check by 4. That is last 2 digit is divisible by 4. Then it will be divisible by 4. And so on. Second, 48. So now we will write down that also, like 48. 1 multiplied by 48. 2 multiplied by 24. 8 plus 4 is 12, so it is divisible by 3 also. 16 3s are 48. It is divisible by 4 also. 12 4s are 48. It is not divisible by 5. Check by 6. 6 8s are. So now 2 are very near. After that 7 is not factor of 48. So now we don't have to go, because again now 8 by 6. So same will repeat. So we don't have to do that. So now we can write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. Therefore, factors of 48 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and then this side 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. So my advice, this is not necessary to write down, but you have to do it in the rough. So why don't you do it here? So your time is not getting wasted. So, and you will not miss any of them. Now let's take some different. Write the following numbers. as product of their prime factors. Product of their prime factors. So now if you have to write down them as a product of their prime factors, then you know what we have to do. We have to find the prime factors. Let's take some examples. First one is, take 68. So now for 68, what do? We have to do like that. Find all the factors by the prime factorization. It is divisible by 2 because it is an even number. 34 twos are 17 twos are, and now 17 is a prime number. So 17 ones are. Therefore 68 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7. Here we don't write down 1 because 1 is not a prime factor. So all those numbers which are prime numbers can be written like that. Second number we can take is 42. So now 42, (21 twos are 42), 3 sevens are 21, and 7 ones are 7. Therefore 42 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. Let's take one more. 52. So now 26 twos are 2 13s are 13 ones are. So now 52 is equal to 2 multiplied by 13. Let's take one more. Some more. Take say 100. So now for 100 we will do the same thing. 52 is 100, 25 is 50, 5 is 25, and 5 is 5. So 100 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. So by doing the factorization until the prime numbers all are coming, and last there is no other than 1. So then whatever numbers are here, check that they are prime numbers and then write down the answers like this. Now find the HCF of the following numbers. First is 18, 24 and 42. Now to find out the HCF, highest common factor, we find out the prime factors of each of them and write down, and then we will find the HCF. So first 18, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. Then Next 24. Also we will find the prime factors. 12 2s are 24, 6 2s are 12, 3 2s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. Then 42. 21 2s are 42, 7 3s are and 7 1s are 7. So now we will write down all the factors. 18 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Next is 24. 24 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. And 42. The factors of 42 are 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. So by this way, find the factors and then write down as a product of their prime factors. Then check which prime factors exist in all the three numbers. So you can see that 2 is in the all numbers. Also 3 is also. Any other? No. It means that HCF is equal to, so whatever the numbers are there in the all the three numbers, that we have to multiply. So HCF will be 2 3s are 6. So 6 is the highest common factor of those three numbers. So whatever number is there, we have to do like that. Sometimes there will be only 2 numbers. Then also same thing. 3 numbers, also you have to do the same thing. That you have to prime factors, as a product of prime factors like that. Write down all of them and underline those who are common in all three. Sometimes they are common in 2 numbers but not in the other one. And you have to not take them. Only those factors who are in all the three numbers only will be taken. Next, we can do like big numbers but 2 numbers only. 90 and 126. So now first we will factorize 90. 2 4s are 5 2s are, so 45 2s are 90. Now 15 3s are 45, 5 3s are and 5 1s are 5. Then 126, because it is even number. 2 6s are 12 and 2 3s are 6. 3 2s are, so 21 3s are 63. 7 3s are 21 and 7 7s are. So now we will write down 90 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. And 126 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. So now HCF. So 2 3 3. So all the three numbers are such that they are factors of both of the numbers 90 and 126. And therefore we will take the product of them, means 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So 3 3s are 9. Is equal to 80. So HCF of them is equal to 18. Let's take one more example. Say 51 and 85. $51. So now 51, 5 plus 1, 6, 80 divisible by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 sevens are 17, 3s are, but 17 is a prime number, so 17 ones are 17. 85, it is not divisible by 2, not divisible by 3, so 5. 17 5s are, again 17 is the, so now 51 is equal to 3 multiplied by 17, 85 is equal to 5 multiplied by 17. So now only 17. So HCF will be 17 only because no other prime factors are common for them. So the HCF is 17. So here we are going to finish today's session. Will be followed by the PDF file, and any problem write down in the comment section. Thank you very much.